F-O-E-R. Some letters are given there. Out of these letters, you have to write the correct letters on the blanks. You will get the exact name of it. And all these are parts of a plant. Now let's see the, excuse me, first one. Let's see the first one. Just a minute. Sugandhi. 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, you get the first letter, that is F. So you can just cut off F. Just keep in your mind. F, L, O, W, E, R. So you got the spelling of flower. And you just check the letters in the bracket. How many letters? It's given L1, W2, F3. Don't disturb. O4, E5, R6. So you have 6 letters in the bracket. And you see here 6 letters here in the answer also. Just see. So the answer is right. F-L-O-W-E-R. Children, please don't talk in between. This exercise was given to you on Friday. I did this. Those who have written, no problem. Others can write with me. But this should be in your classwork note. I told you. Okay. Okay. Now listen, don't think that ma'am is angry because each one is asking, can I write? Can I write? You have to fill in the blanks over here. That's why I gave you Friday the same exercise. Now we'll go to the next one. Second one, in the bracket, A-L-E-V-S-E. Some letters are given. Yes. Now we'll just try to see what is this word. Which part of the plant is this? L E A. A. V is already given. So you finish taking L
Ma'am,
E
you should
A.
write in maths copy.
Children, please, this is EVS class. Who's this disturbing? I just don't know. Leaves. So you are getting leaves. Other children are disturbed children. That's why I'm telling you not to talk in between. I'll just wait for a second. I'll just wait for a second. And I told you to copy this in your classwork so that it will be easy for you to write today. Those who have written, no problem. Others, please write with me. Don't ask again. This is EVS class today. Now, you got leaves. Then you check the letters. All the letters are used from the bracket. L, yes, it's used. So you just put a tick there. L, E, A, V, E. Yes, you must be very, very attentive. Copying is easy, but to think and do, it will take time. So you have done all this. Now, we are coming to
Ma'am,
the
third
third.
one is stem.
Please don't answer, children. I am making the slow writers write. No answering in between. I want everybody to write with me. ST. You got 4 letters over there. MTS. It's jumbled and it's given. STEM. Stem. Children, don't answer in between, please. One child is going on answering everything. STEM, STEM. STEM, STEM. Now you have got all the three parts. Now let's see the next. Why I'm not asking you the question? Because all will be shouting. Just listen how to do this. End of the week, we'll have another session of asking questions. Now, ORSTO is given in the bracket. OR. I want to help all the slow writing children. Now, we are going to find out what is it. Yes, it's under the soil. ROOTS, roots. Now you see flower, leaves. It's not leaf, it's leaves. Stem, roots, stem, roots. All the four parts of a plant is given and you have got the answer. Just check all the answers. Now we'll go to the next one. Now just take this activity. Don't answer. I will teach you. You can do it later. Different names. Now you just listen. Hidden in this word are names of 9 food items that we get from plants. We have 9 food items. Don't tell now. You have to find and circle them. Then write them in the correct columns. Already the table is given over there. Under fruits, they have written. Already see how they have shown. They have written pineapple. 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 They have shown pineapple. See that now? First one, pineapple. And it's written under fruits. Under vegetables, potato is given. Potato. 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 Under nuts, you have got cashew nut. The last row. Cashew nut. CASHEWNUT. Cashew nut. Now we have to find out all other 6 hidden words. 6. Let's see whether we can find out. Yes, sorry. We got grapes. GRAPES. Now you write grapes under fruits. Those who haven't written, please write grapes. 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 Under fruits, you have done grapes. Now see the vegetable hidden over there. It's already given to you this work. So I'm just going little fast now. See the vegetable. Carrot. You have found carrot over there. Carrot. Excuse me. So you have to write carrot under the heading vegetables. CARROT. You can go slowly. Those who haven't done, but all must have this in your classwork. CARROT. Carrot. So you got one vegetable under vegetables name. Let's see the next one, what we are going to get. Yes, you have something else over there under nuts. Walnut. WALNUT. See there? Walnut. So you have under fruits, pineapple, grapes. Under vegetables, you have potato, carrot. Under the heading nuts, you have cashew nut, walnut. Yes, good. Now, we'll see some more 3 items are missing. 3. Let's see what is the next one. If it's in
Ma'am, I
class, I can
told
just
you.
draw and show you. Please don't tell, mom. Don't all will answer now. 1 minute. Now see here. Yes, one fruit. You like this fruit so much. And it's available anytime. But sometimes it will be very costly. Sometimes you'll get it cheap. And starting with A. It is APPLE. Apple. I know children will be so excited to answer. Yes, APPLE. Apple. Don't answer because you'll be disturbing others. Some children are very slow. They need somebody's help too, right? So I am helping. Apple. 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 Now, next one. Yes. Vegetable. Under vegetables, you have
Beans.
beans. B. Some parents are answering. Just imagine the children then. B. Never mind. But don't do it, please. BEANS. It comes under vegetables. See, it's nicely it's written. Beans. 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 Now the last item is missing. Just see where is it? Yes, peanut. It is PEANUT. Peanut. Now you have to observe the full picture and just see the answers, and you just see how to circle it. Only you just do that. It's not even circle. You can do it like rectangle also. Afterwards, when you come to school, we'll teach another method like how to give shades. So it will be clear. Now you don't have the book, so you just see how it's done over here. That's what I gave you this table on Friday. Now, see now, you can see now potato. First one is potato. Potato. How you have to write? First one is potato, so you have to write under vegetables, potato. Now, you are finding out next beans, no problem. Beans, okay? Now, beans, potato, pineapple, apple, all that. Just see and you can fill in when you have time, because we'll go to the next exercise. We'll go to the next exercise. Hope you'd have done all these answers neatly. Hope you'd have written everything in your classwork note. Pineapple, grapes, apple, vegetables, potato, carrot, beans, nuts, cashew nut, walnut, peanut. Even you can fill in so many letters and try to find out the correct answer from that. You can ask your parents to help you. Now, we'll go to the next exercise. Now, don't be answering now. Name the following. Name the
I'm right.
following. Now, you have to, children, you have to write ready over there. Blank. No need to write the answers. Those who have written the answers, you can just keep quiet, okay? Not that ma'am is scolding you. I have to help all the 70 children. Now, name the following. Any five tree, it's general. You can write any five trees. There are many trees, coconut trees, people. No need to write trees, coconut. Then people, mango. Understood? Neem. You can write jamun. So, those who don't know how to write, I will help you now. Now, see, mango. Those who did not write, write with me. M
Mom,
A
should we write
mango.
it now in hatches?
That's over. Those who have written different names. Yes. Excuse me, let me know who's this. Tell the name, please. Those who haven't written, you have to write with me now in class. Coconut. 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 I'm telling you slowly. First one mango. Second one coconut. I told you you can
Ma'am, we
write.
can write
Many
only
are
three.
talking in between. Please.
Ma'am, we can write only.
You just write mango cook. Children, please listen to the teacher. Mango coconut. When you tell, you can write mango tree, coconut tree. Now, any five trees, just write the name of it here. Mango, coconut, neem. 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 Banyan. 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 You can write anything for test. You can write any general answers in your notebook. This is to help children, those who don't know. Please don't answer. Thank you. Last one, people. Now you just check all these trees. All these trees pictures were given when I took class. Mango, coconut, neem, banyan, people. Yes, now please cooperate with me and write neatly. Any two shrubs, shrubs, bushy plants, all the
Ma'am,
stem go
banana tree is
together.
okay.
Please tell me the name, then I will answer. Please, children, don't talk. Now you write any shrubs answers I'm going to give you. Answers I'm going to. You don't worry about it. It's not written. This full recording will come to you. Okay, children? Now listen to me. Listen. You're too small, so you won't be able to listen. Please listen to me. Any two shrubs. See the first one. Rose. R O S E. Rose. After class, we can discuss everything. Somebody is going on talking in between. Please don't disturb. Rose. R O S A. Children, some children are not attentive and they are talking to others. I can hear that. R O S A, rose. Next, cotton. Easy spellings I have given. When we have quiz, I'll conduct quiz for you. That time you can give your own answers. Rose, cotton. Cotton, cotton. Any two shrubs, cotton, rose. Hope you'd have written. Next, any two herbs. Stem of herbs are very, very soft, very weak stem. Now, let's see. You have mint, MINT, mint. Next, tomato, mint, tomato, 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 mint, 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 tomato, mint, tomato. Next, any two climbers. Plants that climb on other plants, or they need support to grow. They need support to grow because they have very, very weak stem. It will climb onto other plants, or they need some kind of support. Let's see. Pepper, 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 sorry, pepper. Next one, grapevine. Grapes are grown lovely, beautifully. You would have seen in many, many farms. Grapevine, we get grape from that. GRAPEVINE, GRAPEVINE, grapevine. Now, any two creepers. Any two creepers. They creep, grow along the ground. They creep along the ground. Let's see. Pumpkin. 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 Next one. Watermelon. 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 Now, you just look at the name of the following. See whether you have got all the answers. And let me ask somebody from these answers. I want to ask someone one or two questions. Now, I think you are ready with this name of the following now. Sorry, name the following. Now, I'm just going to ask any two trees what is mentioned here. Now, Sai Sarvesh, only Sai Sarvesh must turn your phone. Please switch on your phone. Mic, sorry, mic. Only Sai Sarvesh, no parents, only Sai Sarvesh. I will ask you the question now. Sai Sarvesh, please answer me any two trees. Name of any two trees.
Banyan tree. Banyan tree.
Yes.
Mango
Banyan
tree.
tree. Mango tree. Very good. See, I am marking.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I mean, 1 minute. Thank you. When you are answering, I am putting mark over here. Marks. So no one should answer out of your turn. Is it clear? No one should answer. Now let me see. Now I just want Rangaratnam, get ready. You have to answer. I want to know whether you all are attentive in class. Tangaratnam. It's not in order. I am going to ask it. I want you to tell me the name of any one creeper. Any Tangaratnam, look at the screen and tell me it's already written. Yes. Very good, Tangaratnam. Pumpkin. Yes, yes. Enough. That's all. One answer is over. Now we'll go back to the previous exercise. Okay, 1 minute. We'll go back to the just see. Yes, I'm not going to give you the answers. Now unjumble the letters. I want you to see the screen. Ashwant. Get ready, Ashwant. Children, don't complain that you are not getting chance. All will get. Ashwant, tell me the
Ma'am,
second.
ma'am, try the second one. Ma'am,
Second one, tell me.
second one, ma'am.
Tell me, Ashwant.
Ma'am,
Second one.
second one. Yes.
Second one.
E-M.
Tell me the answer.
Stem.
Children, all others, please keep quiet. Second one answer. Something is missing there. Some letters. Second one.
Ma'am,
First one is
L,
la.
E,
Okay, okay. L, E, L, E, A. See, you're not telling me the answer. L, E, A, V, E, S. Leaves. Never mind. That's what I gave you the answers. I told you to be active. Now I want Misty, please turn your microphone. Misty,
yes.
only Misty, no one else. Number 4. I want you to tell me number 4. Read that answer. Number 4. Number 4. Tell
R-O.
it.
Ma'am,
Yes, what you have written in your notebook. Then I will write.
yes. Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me. Fourth one answer.
ma'am, R,
R,
R, O,
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 O.
O, R, O, T, O, S.
No, no T-O-S. Look at the screen. R-O-O-S. Root. Very good, children. Very good. Now, next set of children I'm going to ask you. Let me see. We have written under fruit. Yeah. Vegetable 3, nuts 3. Now I ants. Yes, ants. Vegetable. Anyone vegetables name, please? Why? Anyone? Vegetable name. Ready now?
Ma'am, beach.
Ants, John. Yes. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, very good. That's all questions now.
Ma'am,
Now listen. You have got all the answers ready. Everything. We finish.
Ma'am, I not write the second one.
Never mind. Never mind. You can see to this recording and you can go back and write now. Now you must be get ready for the maths class. Please leave this classroom. Go to the link for maths class. Go to the link. Thank you, children. Thank you. Yes. Maths class also you have to take the worksheet.